Hello, in this session we're going to talk about anonymous functions. Anonymous functions are supported in Python via the lambda keyword. The general form of anonymous functions is lambda abc, and we have here columns, code using abc. Here abc are input parameters, and after the column we have what these parameters will do. The following example creates a lambda function and calls it with values 9 and 11. So we have here lambda, input parameters are x and y. After the column we have what the function does, and here we have x plus y. This result will be given to the variable x32, and here we have a result from anonymous function x32, 9 and 11. So 9 and 11 will be given x, and the result 9 plus 11 will be 20. So let's go to Spider and see how to do it. First minimize this, go to Spider, and here we have x32 equal lambda x, y, and columns we have what function does, x plus y. So this is a function which basically does not have a name. We have here print result from anonymous. And we have here a comma, and here x32. Now we are calling lambda function with values 9 and 11. Let's execute it, F5, and we have here a result from anonymous function and 20. Let's see another example. Let's have a variable x33 which will get values from a lambda function. Lambda function will have parameters x, y, and z, and here what function does, x plus y times z, and here we have print x33 equal x33. Now we have input parameters 1, 3, and 2. And we have here 3 times 2 is 6, 1 plus 6 is 7. So x33 is 7. The purpose of anonymous functions is to do a small function. Otherwise we would have to create a function with a def. They don't have a name. If we have to make something which does a lot of work with a few lines of code, then at that case we will have to create anonymous functions. And that's it for anonymous function. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next sessions.